Wanna talk about Livescope? You like the Livescope, Ashley? Is it cheating or not?
Well, one of your friends always said that it doesn't matter if you have the live scope or not, the fish still got to jump on the hook.
Ooh. South said, couldn't go fishing today, been out on the baseball field all day, but I guarantee you don't want to miss this. We're going to have a discussion today. It's going to be a good one, so y'all stay tuned. There go the fam. Hey, y'all really be fishing? Let's go. Hey, check this out. This video is sponsored to you by... Thank you so much, sir, ma'am, he, she, it. Does not matter. Thank you for your comment. Will probably help the video get pushed out a little further. So appreciate the comment. Now, nothing has revolutionized and caused such great division as the Livescope. Love it, hate it, it's here. It has ruined relationships. It has caused kinfolk not to talk to each other anymore. Why not? It's because you have Livescope. You went, got Livescope. We were fishing fine on the bank, or we were fishing fine with the flasher until you went and got Livescope, sir. So now we can't be buddies anymore. So it happens. I get it. But, fret not. I'm here to help solve your issues. Now, for those that just like browsing through social media or YouTube and looking for Livescope videos, this is the channel for you. For those that like bank fishing, hey, this can be a channel for you too. For those of you that want to learn how to do 2D sonar fishing, this is the channel for you. Because we're going to touch on those topics and more, not just Livescope. It's a tool. I go out, try to catch fish, and it's a video game, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's like a big grown kid video game. It's absolutely amazing how great and wonderful and fun you have. If you try it, just give it a try. Now, I'm not saying who can afford it, who can't afford it. That's not why I'm making this video. It's not to bash anyone for not making the decision to buy, because anybody can corner a Livescope. You can sizzle Livescope. Best Academy has a sizzle plan just for you if you want to buy a forward-facing sonar. But to those that just, nah, I can afford it, but that's just not my thing. Hey, kudos to you. To those that say, I just hate Livescope, kudos to you. To those that say, you know what? I don't know what is the Livescope. Hey, go click on the button down there, but wait till this video is over. Click down below, there's a video that you can see to see what Livescope, see what all the fuss is about. Because some people just don't know what this stuff is. So, click down, you'll see a video of me using Livescope. And also, flip through the other ones, you'll see me fishing from the bank too. Matter of fact, I'm gonna shoot a video tomorrow fishing in a cow pasture. So, stay tuned for that one. Now, let me give you the reasons why I use Livescope. One of the main reasons is because it's just flat out fun. It's just fun. Those that been on my boat, just tell the truth. That thing fun, ain't it? But also, I'm a weekend warrior, meaning I can really only fish 2-3 times, maybe 1 to 2 times a week on the weekends. That's it. Maybe a Friday in there every blue moon. But so I had to get out there, fish, and get home. I don't have time to go searching a lake for fish. I just don't have time, because why? I can only do this once or twice a week. So therefore it makes it more convenient for me to find fish, get on those fish, and to catch fish. But if you don't know, if you're not a fan of this channel, hadn't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. Let me help you out. If you go look at some of my shorts, it's called Blessing the Bank. I've given away way more fish than I've ever eaten with Livescope. I've given away tons of fish, more than I have ever eaten. And it does my heart good to bless others that's on the bank. Why? Because they're trying to enjoy the sport of fishing just as much as I am. So, to my bank fishermen, kudos to you. To the one that like to sit on the bucket, kudos to you. To those that are in the John boats, kudos to you. scamps, kayaks, does not matter as long as you are enjoying the sport of fishing. So, with that being said, live scope, no scope, if you just on the bank, hey, kudos to you, man. Let's enjoy, because for some, it's a peace of mind. For some, it's therapeutic. And whatever fishing is to you, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'm outside now, and it is thundering a little bit, lightning and raining. We're getting a lot of rain, so I could not go fishing. So I decided to just talk to you, the people. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this different video. And I'm gonna do a lot more of these. So please stay tuned, subscribe, like, share. Down in the comment section below, what is fishing to you? Real MVP Fishing and Outdoors, and I'm Hook'em Stu, and I'm out. Let's go.